Catherine Bernardo update and about last night. Diyan, during taping ng Someone Someday, ayun pa yung mga nagpa-picture kay Catherine. Si Miss Gina, si Miss Fatima, saka si DJ Buddha. Ang ganda ni Catherine, oh. And may busy Catherine. Saka ito yung behind the scene ni Catherine sa first taping ng Someone Someday. Ayan silang dalawa ni James Reid. Ayan, malapit na yan. Coming soon. Nabang na yan ng mga fans ni Catherine saka ni James Reid. Ayan, busy sila ngayon with taping. Saka ito pa yung behind the scene ni Catherine. Ayan, kasama si Juan Carlos or TFC. Yun, no? Bago yung TV commercial na labas. Saka ito for Realme ni Catherine. Ang ganda ni Catherine, magpapasko na eh. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya!